Hi, my name is Jordan Maroon, and I am the new small group coordinator for Needles Eye. Ever since the first small group I joined, a guys group in high school, small groups have been a huge part of my relationship with Christ and my growth as a Christian, living out my faith where I am and in my relationships, and growing together with men and as an adult also with women and with our children to follow the Lord. And it has been an amazing thing for me, an amazing journey. When I was in college at Christopher Newport University in Newport News, Virginia, I remember having a moment in like the cafe on campus and thinking, I really wish that I could continue leading this campus small group that I lead, but just not have the distractions of schoolwork and all of these other responsibilities. And the Lord said, okay. And so I came on staff with InterVarsity Christian Fellowship, an evangelical Christian ministry, and I've been doing campus ministry for the last decade in North Carolina, both at the University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill, where I am currently, and then previously at Wake Forest University. And that has been an amazing experience for so many reasons, and I have loved my time with InterVarsity. But one of the things I've loved the most has been my chance to work with small group leaders. I've had the chance to help somewhere probably around 200, 250 small group leaders, develop them, train them, resource them, equip them to study Scripture and lead a group, help them launch their small groups, take them kind of from 0 to 60, what do you need to know, and then come alongside of them and mentor and pastorally care for them over the years. And in addition, at some of our larger scale conferences and leadership retreats, I've probably gotten to train almost 2,000 small group leaders from up front. And how do you study Scripture in a group? How do you honor the Lord? What's a vision for small groups? How do you think holistically about the way that your small group can impact the people around you for the Lord, the way that your community can not just be a group of people that get together and have an intellectual exercise and get to know each other, but can actually be a transformative community, that where you can live out your faith right where you are and be a blessing to each other and worship Christ and really grow in who you are as a Christian and who the Lord is calling you to be. So I could not be more excited about this opportunity. My wife Crystal and I have 2 great kids. Our daughter Riley is 4 and a little sweetheart, and then our really energetic son Copeland is 1. And so I'm excited for you all to get the chance to know them at some point as well. And I'm actually excited as well because Richmond is my hometown. I grew up in Midlothian, Virginia, and it's really cool for me to come home and be a part of something amazing that the Lord is doing in my hometown through Needles Eye. And I just really could not be more happy with this opportunity. This is, of all the things that my wife and I were looking into as we were making the transition, this by far was the one that we hoped the Lord would bring about the most. And He's gracious and merciful and did. And so I can't wait to get started and meet you all.